How much money do photographers make? The salary can vary greatly depending on the type of photographer, their skill level, and how much work they have either as freelancers or working for a company. However, according to payscale.com, the average salary for a photographer is about $30,000. This number may not take into account freelance photographers, who may make more or less depending on their clientele. There are a number of ways to make more money as a photographer. One is to specialize in a certain type of photography, such as wedding or portrait photography. Photographers who are able to consistently produce good work can also earn a good reputation, and thus command a higher price for their services. Additionally, many photographers work as freelancers, taking on multiple clients at a time. This can be more work, but it can also lead to higher pay. What do photographers do? Photographers use photography to capture moments in time. They may specialize in portraits, weddings, events, or landscapes. They may work in a studio or on location. Photographers must have strong technical skills and a creative eye. They must be able to manage and coordinate complex projects. They must be able to work with clients to capture the perfect shot. What are the requirements to become a photographer? There are no specific requirements to become a photographer. However, many photographers have a degree in photography or a related field. To find work, you must invest in good camera equipment, have some experiences, and have a solid portfolio. Also, being able to work with graphics editing software programs will improve your job outlook. It can be tough to make a living as a photographer, but for those who love this art form, it can be well worth it. Photographers can capture moments in time that will be remembered for a lifetime.